My name is Tila, and I created Flat Florals in Procreate to take all the guesswork out of creating beautiful and reusable floral bouquets. The flat style is created with solid colored, organic, and geometric shapes, absent of gradients and texture, making it the perfect style for beginners and advanced artists alike. First, you'll choose a composition stamp, then layer in your choice of large hero flowers. Follow that up with small supporting florals by using the base composition to guide you. Finally, add in your foliage and filler elements. Remove overlaps as you work until you have your fully outlined bouquet template. Next, choose your style. In the course, we practice 12 different flat style variations, so you can mix and match or choose from the core 12 to execute your arrangements however you'd like. I'll show you how to layer in color, define petal breaks, use simplifying elements, and bring everything to life with flat shadow and highlight details. In Project 6, we'll paint 3 mini bouquets, create a seamless repeat pattern with them, and we'll give it a transparent background so you can play around with color or lighten the mood for extra flexibility. Once your bouquets are complete, I'll show you how to export them for future use, expanding the lifespan of your hard work, and we'll apply it to 3 common applications together. Your enrollment includes the full 153-piece Bouquet Maker brush set, along with an extended license, so you'll have full usage rights to sell any artwork you make with them in the future. Every project and practice exercise color palette is included, along with several flat-style cheat sheets to remove any thorns that could hold you back. To get started, you'll need an iPad with pressure sensitivity, the Procreate app, and a pressure-sensitive stylus. So hit enroll to begin painting those gorgeous floral arrangements you've always wanted without studying 200 botanical books to get there.